Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to follow people on Roblox. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our Roblox app right here. And once we open our Roblox app, all we have to do to follow a person is to go on the search bar and then just search for their name. So let's say for example that its name is Bacon, and then let's enter that, and then let's click people. After that, you will see all of the people that has the name Bacon, and you will see this add or follow button on the bottom right of their profile picture. So you can also do that, but if you don't have this feature, we can also add them or follow them by clicking them and then click add friend right here. So all you have to do that is to click that, and once you do that, you've now basically followed people on Roblox. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.